Sometimes di ako nagsasalita ng Tagalog. Dami kasing foreigner. Kaawa naman sila kung ano sila, mga OP. Uy, mystery man. Kuya, ano to? Kuya Itachi. Hi, kuya! Sorry, kuya! Okay lang, kuya. Ano ba to? Bot ba to? Hindi. Ako ba pinagloloko nito? Wala pa akong buena mano ngayon So pity to think. Ano ba, kuya? Ngayon nyo pa ako inaasar-asar. Thank you, Sam! Hi, Sam! Sam! You're always awake! Thank God you're always awake, Sam. Thank you for the gift, Sam. Thank God you're always awake, Sam, you know. I noticed that. You're always beautiful. Thank you. You're just saying that right now, guys. Huwag niyo ako sinacharot-charot, Huwag niyo ako sinacharot-charot, Pretty today. Utot. No, always say that. Yeah, I don't have boyfriend, kuya. Kuya Mystery Man, I don't have boyfriend. Oh, I never had one. Thank you, Sam. Oh, thanks God. You're always awake, Sam. You are my benamana as always. Thank you. Sam is Are you gonna apply, Sam? Are you guys gonna apply? Oy, Big Daddy! Big Daddy, you're here! Guys, meet Big Daddy. Umalis sa si Big Daddy. Walang hiya na yun. Inalisan ba naman ako? How many boyfriends are there? Kuya, pinapamak mo ako! I don't have boyfriend, you guys. I don't have that. And I'm not looking for one, actually. Kuya naman, pinapamak mo naman ako eh. Do you want to apply, guys? The application will be submitted online. Joke lang, gagi. Gagi talaga to si Kuya, Napahamak ako. Big Daddy is like hi John, shall we? Big Daddy is like hi as a good friend of mine actually. He's a good friend of mine. He's one of the coolest guy I met here. No, I don't have a boyfriend, you guys. Guys, don't listen to Mystery Man. He is my family here. Papansin si Kuya. Pinapahamak ko man ako, Kuya. Wala man yan. Kuya talaga. Uy. Umalis na tuloy si Sam. Kainis naman. Pero okay lang. Then Big Daddy Boy. Hey, he didn't do that. He actually knew how to respect me. It's just like that way, but Big Daddy is so kind to me, you know. Parang he treats me like a little girl. Hoy, hindi Hi, Loki!
Hello, everyone.
You want to show yourself?
No, I'm so pangit. What do you mean?
Oh, you're so pangit right now? Okay. My sister wants to say hello, guys, but she's told me that she's still pangit. She's pangit today. That's why she doesn't want. What are you eating now? Kuya, I'm not eating anything. Oy, si Jonathan. Si Jonathan, my friend ba to? Hi, XL. Shall we, guys? Eras Hermosa. Shall we, guys? How are you, guys? Anong ganyan? Ano bang kuya? Ano bang ganyan? What do you mean ganyan? Bakit kasi ganyan ka? Ha? What do you mean, kuya? What do you mean? Hi, El Torito. El Torito. El Torito. Hi, Zera. Jonathan. Kuya, hindi mo ko yun. Pag sila naniwala talaga, hi, Wink, Shami. Oh my gosh, I still remember Wink. Still remember you. Hi, Mayo. You're here earlier. You left. So you left. Wala, kuya, pag naniwala talaga yan sila. Parang gusto ko magpalit ng lipstick. Para I look so mataray here. Guys, do I look like I have an attitude here right now? Because I think I have. Because I look like one. NN. Shall we, NN? Shall we, guys? Alok ka. Dami nyo. Ba't ganun? Kala ko tulog na yung mga tao. Sabi ko kasi hindi na ako nakakapag live ng ganitong oras kasi nga, busy na ako sa gawain bahay, gagi. I don't have a boyfriend. You guys, do you want to be my boyfriend, guys? The application will be online. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding, guys. You can send your application online. The requirements need to be someone older than me. Gagi. I'm just kidding. Gagi ba maniwala, uy? Hi, Musa! Shall we? Si Muffel. Ala, sino ba to? Hindi nga ako magpipk, guys. I don't want to have PK right now, guys. I don't do it right now. Oo nga, hindi ko rin alam, Muffel. Kala ko tulog na nga yung mga tao ngayon. Viewers lang yan. Wala yan nagsisend. Ganyan yan sila eh. Makikinood lang yan. Guys, you just want to like watch. Wala. Isa lang ba naman ako? Isa pa lang. Yung friend ko rin. So apply. Requirements. The requirements need to be someone tall. I want tall. Because I'm not really tall. Hi, Google! Shall we? Wala, ba't ang dami yung tao dito? Gagi kayo. Ayaw nyo magbigay. Alam nyo, mas nakaka-energy. Para masayahan naman ako mag-chika-chika, you know. Tool, suntukin kita, kuya. Susuntukin talaga niyan kita, kuya. Guys, you don't want to chika-chika with me? You know, chit-chatting? Like, NBI clearance. I think, yung sa marriage contract, marriage certificate, baka kasi na sila, yung patunay na hindi pa pala sila kasal. I need a copy that you are not married yet. Mahirap na. Mahirap na. Hi, JM. I thank you, Naruto. You have the same name, like, wait. Is this the Naruto that I know? I don't know. Hi, Mayo. Shall we, Mayo? Mayo. That is actually, hi, CJ. Shall we? Ala kayo, kagi kayo, dami nyo. Pero ayaw nyo ha? Guys, seriously, oy, si Dory nandito. Love Dory, hindi kita napansin. Ang daming pumapasok. Kaya akala ko tulog, na sila, tulog na. Ay, gagi, wait lang. Ang dami nyo pumapasok, gagi kayo. Akala ko tulog ng mga tao ngayon. Bakit di kayo tulog, guys? Hi, Fee, shall we? Akala ko tulog ng mga tao ngayon. Shall we, Fee? Ba't gising pa kayo? Alam nyo, hindi na ako nakakapag Hi! Kuya, kakagising ko lang talaga. Tapos di na kasi ako nakakapag-live. Parang, ang ganitong oras, ba? Diba? Parang gabi na lang talaga ako nagla-live. Tapos, yun, sabi ko, ay, sige. Para naman may ako. Hala! Ang dami ka lang admin lang. Napuno na. Sino man, admin ko dito? Si Doren, si Kuya Joker, si Ryan, yung top 1 ko. Sino yung isa? May isa pa eh. Ay, si Xiao. Pero magtatanggal ako. Tanggalin ko si Xiao kasi hindi na siya active dito. Gusto ko active para may tagatanggal naman dito. Can we see your outfit? Hoy! Hi! Stop! Hi, stop! You know what? Anong show outfit ka dyan? So, token kita dyan. Alam, kuya, kalmahan mo. So, hilig ko pa na hindi nila malalaman natin ng admin. Malalaman niya kasi. Lang kaya. Puro wala nga yan magpatalo. Kasi kaya Joker, nakaraan din. Na-notify. Kaya nga. Doren, gusto ka palitan? Doren, gusto ka palitan ni Kuya Itachi? Joke lang. Hindi pa palitan ko si Xiao kasi hindi na siya online. Ay, hindi na siya active dito. Aba, nagka-girlfriend lang. Hindi na active dito. Charot lang. Nagselos yung walang karapatan. Ano kayo? Ang dami yung tao dito. Tapos ayaw nyo mag-send. Ayaw nyo ako bigyan ng gift. Ganyan kayo eh. Manunod lang kayo. Makichika-chika lang kayo. Nasa ko tama na mapta ko. FO talaga. Uy, Doren. Sobrang tagal ko na sa live mo. Hindi mo ako naparin na admin. Kuya, pag admin ka nila, admin ka ba nila, kuya? Ng ibang dito, kuya? Uy, si Kuya Snitch. Kuya Snitch! Shawi. Admin ka ba nila, kuya? Nila Hailey, ganon. Nila Eli. Kuya Snitch! Namatay naman ako. Hindi kaya, kuya. Yung iba.